Hi guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today in this video I will explain how you can apply for financial aid in Coursera and how you can get any Coursera course absolutely free. So as you all know, in Coursera you can get a huge number of certifications which are provided by huge IT companies like Google, Microsoft, IBM or some recognized universities. But if you want to get the certifications, you have to pay some dollars to Coursera. But here in this video, I will explain you how to apply for financial aid and how to get this all course in absolutely free. Also, after completion of this course, you will get the completion certification from Coursera, and also you can mention this certification in your resume or your LinkedIn profile. So without wasting any time, let's go to my computer screen and I will explain there how you can apply for this and how to get the financial aid. So let's jump into my computer screen and let's start the video. Okay guys, so I am in the computer screen and let's discuss about the Coursera certification. So at first I want to discuss what is Coursera. So Coursera is a platform, or you can say e-learning platform. From there you can complete any kind of certification course. Basically the courses are paid certification courses and you can get the certifications from the top companies and the universities as well, and it's also valuable for your job, so you can mention those certificates in your resume as well. Because as you can see in my screen, I am in the Coursera tab and here I have opened one certification. But before discussing about the financial aid, I want to discuss, after approve the financial aid, you will get this in the Coursera account only. As you can see in the screen here, these all courses has been approved and these all I have applied in the financial aid. Okay, so these all are for 49 USD, but I have paid 0 USD and I have successfully completed the courses. Okay, so this benefit you get in Coursera. So now I will show you how you can apply for the financial aid and what is the script. So as you can see here, I have already written the script and I will provide you the script details in the description area so that you can also copy the script. Okay, so here one course I have opened and this course is offered by CompTIA. CompTIA is one platform, e-learning platform you can say, which provide the IT related, IT security, IT help desk, IT technical support, network fundamental related certifications to the freshers and the experienced graduates. Okay, so you can complete this course totally free. So at first what you have to check if there is financial aid available or not. Inside the enroll for free button you will get the financial aid button, and for some courses financial aid is not available. And also if you want to start any degree in Coursera, financial aid is not available. For some specializations, professional certifications and courses it's available. You can apply the financial aid for those certification and you can simply complete the certification. So now I am clicking on the financial aid available button. So here it is asking application can take up to 16 days. So here you have to remember one thing, once you have submitted your financial aid certification, it will take 16 days to review with the Coursera team, and if they found everything is proper in this application they will accept it. So if you use my script, which I will provide you in the description area, 99.99% cases you will get free. It will get approved by the Coursera team and you will get the course absolutely free. But for some time it asks you for spending some money like 100 rupees or 200 rupees, which is also less compared to the actual price of the course. So here you have to just click on continue to the application. Here the form is open now. The original price you can get here 2411, but I will show you how to get it in 0 rupees, or you can say absolutely free. So here you have to provide college degree, and here annual income you have to mention 0. Okay, employment status, if you are working in an organization or you are a student, you should select student only. Okay, please do not mention any kind of part-time, full-time employment, anything. Now the main topic, reason you applied for it. So I have provided some details here, and I have already created the script why you are applying for financial aid. So here you can use this script. You just need to modify it. Like here I have mentioned BE. You can change the degree, and also you can change do some changes on the script, but don't change the overall content. Okay, after that you have to click on this, I have reviewed my information and everything is up to date. Next, then click on the next button. Here it will ask you how much you can pay. You have to select as 0. Then how this selected course help your goals. You have to open the script and you need to copy and paste. Please do not modify anything in the script, just copy paste required. Okay, just copy and paste. Then terms and condition, you have to click on both and you have to accept these terms and condition. Then you have to copy this I agree to the terms above and paste it. After that you just need to fill up the captcha and you have to click on review. Then it will ask you to check once the application. You have to just cross check everything, and then you have to click on the submit application. So after submitting the form, you can expect one mail from Coursera. As I have opened my mail, and you can see here the financial aid application receipt, and they have also provided you the date by 16th of January. You can get the outcome of your application, and 99.99% chance is there that your application will be approved by the team. And if you don't have any profile in Coursera, you can simply open a profile using your name, email ID and password. It's very simple. You just need to open coursera.org and you need to provide your all details to create a profile. So you can visit now and you can choose your course or certification, and then you can apply for a financial aid. Please check the description box to get the exact script, and thank you for watching the video. So that's all about today's video, and hope it will help you to apply for this financial aid, and you will get all the additional details like what to fill and how to fill. You will get in the description box. Also, if you have any doubt, you can comment below, or you can ping me on Instagram so that I can solve your doubt within 24 hours. Also, to get regular job update, please subscribe the channel and also do share to all the aspirants who are looking for a new job. Thank you.